Seuss. Alrighty. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here. There's the side of his face. And there's the other side of his face. What I want to do now is draw the top of his head right about there. I like that. Alrighty. And what we're gonna do now is this eye here. And another eye right about here. We'll give him some eyelids. Just like that. Don't forget to swirl them up. Dr. Seuss loves swirls, he does. There's his eyes in there. Alrighty now. That's looking good. Alright, we've got to give the Lorax a bit of a nose here now. And what now we're gonna do is draw some bushy eyebrows just for fun. I always thought that's fun, just like that. There we go. Now we can bring the sides of his face down a bit like that. And now we can draw his fun bushy mustache here as well. There we go. Just like that. Lorax has a lot of hair, he does, except on the top of his head. Okay, there we go. Now they're funny creatures, aren't they? We'll bring his arm down like that. Bit of furry fingers here, just like that. All right, and then back up like that. Don't forget to keep drawing the bits of fur all over the place, these Lorax. Furry bits, just like that. And then we can bring another arm down like this. Give a bit of an elbow there. There we go. There's another thumb and some fun fingers there, just like that. There we go. More furry bits here, and we can bring them right down to the bottom, and here's his foot. Little furry foot like that. I like that. All right. And there's other leg here. And this foot round like that. There we go, everybody. It's the Lorax from Dr. Seuss. Let's get to the color. The Lorax has orange fur, a yellow mustache and eyebrows, blue eyes. Thanks, everyone.